Why is a cTrader not as popular as Metatrader? Why is cTrader not as popular as Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5? Let's talk about it in this video. So Metatrader and cTrader are both apps or platforms that we use to trade money online, whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading currencies, commodities, and the sort. Currently, I'm looking at a cTrader screen if you were not aware. So I'm just talking about why cTrader is not as popular as Metatrader. So the first reason is a bigger crowd. It just seems many people use Metatrader, so it's easier for them, for people to actually find help, tips, and tricks. There's tons and tons of YouTube tutorials, blogs, and stuff around how to use Metatrader. But when you start looking for materials on how to use cTrader, you don't exactly find a lot of stuff. It doesn't necessarily mean that the platform is bad or worse than Metatrader. It's actually loaded with a lot of stuff, as you can see on my screen right now. It's actually loaded with a lot of stuff that you can use as a trader, but it's just that there is not a lot of tools, guides, help, tips, and the sort. So Metatrader wins in terms of popularity because there is a ton of information around how to use the platform. Then when it comes to robot trading, Metatrader also has robot trading called expert advisors, um, which are very popular uh, with traders. That cTrader does have robot trading. It does have bots as well, but they are not as popular, and very few people actually use cTrader bots. Unlike where you have Metatrader with a bigger market where people are always creating robots and indicators for the platform. So Metatrader also has thousands of free tools. That's another reason why Metatrader seems to be more popular than cTrader. Metatrader has thousands of free tools, free indicators, expert advisors, the sort, and various other scripts that you can actually just download online for free, and you can use them. Whereas not many people are developing those same tools and indicators and the sort for cTrader. So that's another reason why Metatrader basically wins the popularity contest. Then if you check brokers, most brokers also just prefer to use Metatrader. Uh, So whenever you sign up with a broker, the platform that you're essentially going to get from the get-go is basically Metatrader. So very few brokers give you cTrader at the get-go. So that's another reason why Metatrader seems to be more popular than cTrader. A familiar look, Metatrader's design is old school. Metatrader has been around for many years now. It's basically a granddaddy in the industry, and people still love it. That's why people still use it. And cTrader is basically a new technology, and people with old habits, they don't usually just change in an instant. Metatrader runs smoothly on all platforms. So does cTrader. It does also run smoothly on all platforms. But that's another reason why people just love Metatrader, because of where you can use it across devices. So why do people also love cTrader? Why are some people shifting towards cTrader? Because it just the user interface actually does look cooler and more usable than Metatrader. It's again an opinion. Feel free to disagree. If you're going to be doing your trading, you actually get a lot more from your cTrader and than from your Metatrader. It's just my opinion, but feel free to disagree in the comments section below. Then I think the charts that you get with a cTrader, they are better than what you get in Metatrader. So that's probably why people also love to shift and use cTrader over Metatrader. But the challenge that cTrader has is it has got a smaller community. That's the main challenge that cTrader has. It might be a good platform. It might have all the fancy tools and everything look nice and the sort, but the problem is very few people at this point. I'm doing this video in August 2025. Maybe in 2030 the situation would have changed. In 2025, August 2025, the challenge is very few people use cTrader, and if you're using cTrader, it's very hard to find tips, tricks, advice, guide on how to use the platform. So that's why people just go to the old and familiar Metatrader. Then higher fees. Many people also say they were charged. I've never really experienced it myself, but many people actually claim that they were charged a lot more by the brokers when they were using cTrader than when they were using Metatrader, either Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. So that's another reason why Metatrader seems to be more popular than cTrader. Less content, I think I've touched on this. There's not many videos, blogs and everything that teach cTrader tricks. The content seems to be centered around Metatrader. If you just think of trading, stocks, commodities, everything, the immediate platform that comes to mind is Metatrader. Less content is available for cTrader, but maybe the situation will change. Then I also talked about fewer plugins. For example, downloads. There are very few downloads designed for cTrader, unlike Metatrader 4 and 5, where you can find thousands and thousands of scripts and indicators and expert advisors, and so that you can just download free online and just add on to your platform and trade. On cTrader, because the community is so small, you don't have as many tools to use. So what's your other thoughts? What's your opinion why Metatrader is more popular than cTrader? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.